Hello guys, welcome to the unboxing of the new Keychron K2 version 2. Now I'm opening the box that I received from Amazon to show you the keyboard. And now we have the box of the keyboard, and this is the front side. If you can see here, has excellent materials of constructions, and this is the side and the back side. If you want to read the features, only stop the video and you will able to read it. Let's start to opening.
2,000 years later. One eternity later.
And inside of the box, we have the instructions. It's only a paper sheet with a quick instruction to change the keycaps. Because this keyboard is based on Mac and you need to change the keycaps if you want to use in Windows. And also you will have the keyboard. Let's try to move it. And a start guide or a book with instructions. It's only a quick instruction to troubleshooting or something like this, but anybody want to read instructions. Also, you will have a tool to remove the keycaps with the name of the brand, Keychron. Also have excellent materials. And you will have the power cable is a USB to USB-C cable. And the keycaps. Let's start to take the keyboard out of the case. And let's start to change the keycaps. Here you can see the keyboard in the night or without lights, and you have different types of backlights. You can change with the button in the right corner with the sign of bulb. Let's start to the typing test. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.